Hi, my name is Jonas Hedman. I'm an associate professor at Copenhagen Business School in Copenhagen, Denmark. With me here, I have my colleague Stefan Henningsson, also an associate professor here at Copenhagen Business School. It is our pleasure to welcome you to this course called Digital Competition in Financial Services. As you may well know, this course is the first course in a three-course specialization in digital transformation of financial services. The second course will focus on fintech and the third on digital innovation strategy for the financial service industries.
This is a specialization that focuses on the new digital normal of financial industries. This industry, that used to be one of the most stable and conservative, is now seeing dramatic change. Thousands of fintech startups are challenging the stability, and the internet giants like Apple, Google, Amazon and Alibaba are rushing to claim their shares. Because as we speak, the force of digital is rewriting the rules of competition in finance. Our main premise is that companies compete differently in digital industries than in non-digital. Instead of competing on scale and fortified business positions, competition is turning to speed and novelty of digital innovations. Instead of competing only as individual firms, companies compete in ecosystems and through digital platforms. So in this specialization, we cover how digital rewrites the rules of competition, the novel fintech that carries this transformation, and how companies in the financial services must develop the means to compete on digital innovation.
The digital transformation of finance is a natural focus for Copenhagen Business School. Copenhagen and Northern Europe in general are known around the world for their very progressive management approaches, for the extremely creative business and for the competitive excellence based on innovation. This part of the world is the home of some of the most digital, innovative companies in the world. Some names that you have recognized like Skype, Spotify, iSettle are based in this part of the world. This course is called Digital Competition in Financial Services. In it, we are going to take a big picture look at the digital transformation in this industry. Some of the questions you will be able to answer at the end of this course include: what is the digital transformation and why should we care about it? That is the topic of Module 1. Module 2 is about how digitalization gives rise to a new sort of competition based on digital platforms. Here we explore how digital platforms allow for more efficient competition on innovation than other configurations of value creation. Module 3 we call Digital Ecosystem. In it, we're going to look at how digitalization forces firms to work closely with both partners and rivals in business ecosystems to co-create digital innovations. And finally, Module 4, the Capstone Project. In the Capstone Project, we will ask you to use some of the ideas that you have obtained in the course to solve a problem for a company that needs to reinvent itself to compete in the digital age.
This is business strategy for the digital era of finance. We'll go well beyond the approaches of Michael Porter and many of the other strategy thinkers you might have read. Digital rewrites the rules of competition, and if you want to come out on top in this new world, you have to understand the new rules of the game and what it takes to win. So whether you're working for one of the large traditional players that needs to reinvent themselves for the digital age, or if you have your own startup looking to ram your way into the industry, you're going to find something new in this course, something that is relevant for you. So let's get started.